Good morning guys. So it is Monday. I hope that hear me. But yes, it's Monday and I'm heading out. So we're gonna attempt again to do a week in my life. Hopefully this week goes better than last week. So welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Shaki and I do lifestyle vlogs. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button so you're notified whenever I make a video. Yeah, so Monday, as I said, we're heading out to work. Let's see how this week goes. Yeah, so today's my parents' anniversary, so I'm kind of a little bit later than normal. Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm back home. I never really vlog much today. Well, I vlogged pretty much nothing today, so yeah, that's that. Anyways, I'm back home and I think I'm gonna clean right now, get some cleaning done. Tomorrow I need to wash. I also need to get my test papers done. I think I have one more week of lesson planning left to do. That will be next week's lesson plan, but I don't know why I got United. Scrape my face, but yeah. So we need to figure that out. Cleaning time.
As we open the window, you come through.
Jingling, ring, tingle, tingling, ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy, are we? We're snuggled up together like two birds off a feather would be. Let's take a road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
It's their anniversary. Anyways, so they brought back KFC. So I'm keeping their stuff. Guys, I wanted to show you the little decor that we did. So this is where we are so far. The little table is out, the dining table is all set up, clock it, yeah. And then this is the little section I did. The lights doesn't work in this section, so I'd have to show you it in the day for you to see it properly. So this is the place in the day. Oh, area, which is the area my sister did, is in green and stuff. So yeah, morning guys. So oh my god, I actually look like what teacher today. I don't know why. But I have a tree bag. Why is so that so? Yes, as I was saying, I look like my actual teacher today. Guess why? I have a tree bag. I want to carry my laptop. Sorry, I want to carry my laptop today because I need to finish my test, and then I'm gonna have the time when I come home. I'm gonna try clean, and then I have lunch bag because I can't lunch. cancel my KFC that we had last night. So yeah, may I leave out. I'm tired already. Guys, we got to bed so late last night and then I have to wake up so early. I'm tired.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Yeah, but it starts today. So I'm now at work and I'm gonna try to get some work done. I want to try getting my test done. So I'm gonna try to do that right now. See how that goes. Mosquito, move your finger. So yes, I have 3 classes today. So anyways, I got to my work and then talk back soon because I don't want to waste it till the morning session here now. So I go to my work and then talk to you later. Bye. Round to the nearest hundreds. For this number here, which digit is in my hundreds place? The 1. And then I'm going to look at which number. The 3. So we'll look at the 3. So the 1 directly is 7. Alright, so that one is less than what? Less than 4, right? So I'm going to do what? I'm going to let it rest. So I'm going to write back my 1, and the other 2 digits will become 0. For the second one, which one is in the hundreds place? Hundreds. Sorry. The 2, right? So I'm going to look at the 6. Is it more or less? It's more. So I'm going to add 1 to it. And it becomes. I'm eating. Do that one for me. Then we have. One more with that one. Hey guys, I haven't spoken to you guys from the morning, so I am now at class. Yeah, class empty. It's been in a common class right now, so oh well. So I'm going to vlog, just update you guys. So today is Wednesday. I'm supposed to upload a vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna know if that's gonna work because I'm gonna vlog not for Thursday. What the vlog that I'm doing now, I actually have the intent to upload on Sunday, but for Thursday, not that. So I don't know right now what's gonna upload on Thursday, as it is right now. But yeah, right now I'm at work. So this is like a week in my life as a teacher. So reality is that when the school near vlog, these kids don't want to come to class because I'm at class and they ain't here. But yeah, got my stuff and everything. I'm gonna saw it. Class is supposed to end at 12:05 and it's now 11:33 and nobody's here as yet. But I'm still waiting because I don't want them to come and say, Mr. Vadia class, map evidence. Nobody did that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I'm sorry for school to be done because I'm so tired of school. I'm so tired of it. Yeah. Anyways, I'll check up with you guys later. Hey guys, so I was supposed to finish vlogging like a week in my life as a teacher. I didn't do too bad, but it's now Sunday and you know I want the video to be up today, so we kind of have to finish. I was editing and realized I have nothing for Thursday. I don't think I have anything for Thursday, anything for Friday. I never really vlog nothing, so yeah. But yes, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. For today's question, I kind of want to do like a little story time in the next vlog. So in the comments down below, I want you guys to comment one childhood Christmas memory that you cannot forget. You know, let's share, let's have a little story time in the I want to have a little section in the next vlog for a little story time. So yeah, share that down below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Yourself.